Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Realme Narzo 50 Pro. And to do this you will need to open any app or any web page that allows you to scroll down. In this case let's go for the settings, and also we can enable different screenshot methods because the basic one works like that. And if you want any other, then go for additional settings, gestures and motions, and enable this one setting. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now to make actual scrollable page screenshot, choose the combination you want to take a screenshot with, so either volume down key and power key or 3 fingers down. Then you should see the screenshot pop up and then click on a scroll. It will begin scrolling down page. Make sure you're at the top of the page as well, and you can always stop if you like the amount of your screenshot already, but I'm gonna go for the bottom. Then click done and the screenshot is finished. We can click on it to open the image, and as you can see it's full page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.